Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you median of unit number 3 of business statistics. Same like arithmetic mean, in median also we have three: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. In this video I am going to explain you only individual series, how to find median in individual series. So the steps involve, there are two steps to find median. In order to find median we have two steps. Step number 1, first arrange the given data either ascending or descending order. Then if the data given is, if the number of observations are odd, then the median will be the middle value will be the median. And there is also formula to find median. The formula is n plus 1 divided by tooth term. And here n means number of observations. So I'll give you example. First, for example, if the data is given like this, for example, if the data is calculate calculate median of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here the number of observations are 7. So 7 is odd number, so median will be the middle term 4. Here 4 is median. I'll do this by using the formula. The formula to find median is n plus 1 divided by tooth term. So here number of observations are 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Fourth term. Median is fourth term. Here fourth term is 4. Fourth term is 4. So if you use formula, also we will get the same answer. So I'll explain. If the number of observations are even, then the median will be the arithmetic mean of two middle term. For example, if it is given in the question to find the median of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here number of observations are even, so median will be the arithmetic mean of the middle two terms, the arithmetic mean of 3 and 4. Median equal to arithmetic mean means the simple average. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2, 3.5 will be the median. See this example, you will get more clarity. See this example. Calculate the median of the following observations. Here given observations are 8, 18, 8, 18, 4, 28, 6, 30, 42. First we are arranging these observations in ascending order. There are two steps, no? To find median we have two steps. First step is to first arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Here we are arranging it in ascending order. So first will be 4, then 6, then 8, then 18, then 28, then 30, then 42. First we have arranged it. Then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is odd series. So the median will be the middle term. First 2, median is 18. The middle term will be the median. See the same example with the formula. Here number of observations are n represents number of observations. So number of observations are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by tooth term. 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 2 term. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Median will be fourth term. Median will be fourth term. Here what is the fourth term? 18. So median will be 18. We will get same answer by using the formula as well as this. Here it is an example of even numbers. The number of observations are even. If the number of observations are even, then the median will be the arithmetic mean of the middle term. Arithmetic mean of the two middle terms. So two middle terms are 18 and 30. 18 plus 30 divided by 2. See, 18 plus 30 divided by 2 will get 24. We will get 24. So if you want me to make more videos, do like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.